Start by treating the house as a continuous ant habitat and remove the conditions that let them come back. After a successful extermination, the most important practice is to eliminate attractants and deny access. Keep all preparation surfaces and floors wiped daily with hot soapy water to remove scent trails and food residues, and immediately clean sugary spills with a vinegar and water solution to mask pheromones. Store pantry staples, pet food, and baking supplies in airtight glass or heavy plastic containers rather than paper or thin bags, and rotate older items forward so nothing sits long enough to attract pests. Seal gaps around windows, doors, plumbing penetrations, and foundation cracks using silicone caulk or expanding foam for larger voids, and check weather stripping regularly to ensure tight seals. Fix any moisture problems such as dripping faucets, under-sink condensation, or damp basements by repairing leaks, improving ventilation, and adding dehumidifiers where needed, because ants follow moisture as well as food. Establish a weekly walkthrough to look for new ant trails, discarded wings, or small piles of debris near baseboards, and take pictures to compare over time to catch returning activity early. Common mistakes include assuming one treatment removes the cause, so people fail to address entry points and food sources. The fix is to combine exclusion work and sanitation with treatment. Another issue is storing food in original retail packaging, which is easy for ants to breach. Resolve this by transferring goods into sealed containers and cleaning container lids before storing. A third concern is ignoring moisture and landscaping that funnels ants to the foundation, so trim plants away from walls, fix irrigation overspray, and correct grading to move water away from the house. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like long-term pest prevention and home repairs. We help homeowners find local contractors and provide a discussion community where we and other members share tips, questions, and contractor experiences.